We want you to join the tenants union. Landlords are not sending a dime over here to support tenant groups. We think that they're going to have a party and celebrate if we ever have to close our doors. It really does take tenants to support tenant groups. And if you look on the back of your quick guide on tenants' rights, you will see just how very affordable it is to join the tenants union. You can join right now online with your phone. Go to txtenants.org and just click on Become a Member. Pick one of those levels of membership that you can afford, that your budget allows. And what you get when you do join is our membership packet that includes a 20-page handbook on your rights. You also receive a number of sample letters, copies of the laws, and along with this, you get priority help over the phone. We exchange emails with our members. We will make appointments over the phone or in the office. And that is available to our members for the 6 or 12 months of their membership. So you can join with cash. If you're not prepared to join this evening, you can always do that later. You can send us a check or money order through the mail, or you can make arrangements to come back to the office to pay your membership and to be entitled to membership benefits.